Okay, today we will be changing the back brakes on the Suzuki SX4. You can see it's disc brakes, so we're going to remove the wheel and see what we see on the inside. If you check right in front of the wheel, there's a little white bracket here, and that is where you put the jack to lift up the car. The jack is in the boot, right next to the spare wheel. Once the wheel is off, you can get to the caliper, and it's just this little nut here and this one on this side. It is a 12mm nut, and then what you're going to have to do is you're going to hold this one here with a 17 while loosening the back one, and I'll show you. Once those two nuts are removed, this whole cover on top just comes off. There you go. So you can put that back to the side, and this will stay put. You can just remove the brake pads, and then we're just going to slide the new ones in. Okay, I just use a G-clamp on the piston here to push this piston back inside to make space for the new pads, because the new pads are obviously thicker than the old ones, so you need to make space. So you just put the G-clamp on there, and then you clamp it tighter, and that will push in. Just make sure that you check in the bonnet in the front that your brake fluid doesn't spill over the reservoir. Okay, I've got the back pad in already. Now the front pad, just put it from the top and just push it in. Just make sure it's in everywhere, and that it is straight. See there, we've still got a gap there. I say, there you go. Both of them back in, new ones in. Let me just take this where the piston is on, just put it back over. I say, that's all you need to do. Now you just put the nuts in here. The Frodo pads I got came with new nuts for some other reason, so I'm going to use a new nuts. So I'm just going to tighten them back in here, back in there, and then put the wheel back up, and then we're done. Sharp. Thanks for watching.